Good morning, everybody. Guess what? It is time to print more coupons. I went on the coupons.com app and I saw that there's new coupons, but what I actually end up doing is I print off coupons from swagbucks.com because I get a point for every single coupon I print, and that's like free money, you guys. It adds up. So what they ended up adding is a gallon of the Blue Ribbon ice cream. I haven't seen a gallon anywhere in my area, so I'm not doing that. The $4 off of Cascade pods. My dishwasher doesn't do very good with pods, so I'm not printing those off. But they got Coleman Foods, $1 off Keebler. I saw that they just added a 10-pack or 6-pack of the Perrier. Here we got San Pellegrino for a 6-pack. The Simply drinks, those were added. I did notice they just recently added the Brisk for iced tea drinks. Beggin, $1.50 off of 2 for the Beggin strips. And some of these may have reset. Here they got the $1 off of the wipes or whatever. I'm definitely printing that off because they got some good deals with that. Another $1 off of 16-ounce bag of Beggin strips. La la la. Here is $1 off of 2 Special K. Neosporin. I don't know, I didn't get very far, but I do notice some coupons did reset. Here we got $1 off Crunchmaster. I'm not printing those off yet, but usually there's some deals with Ibotta when that pops up, so just letting you guys know with that. Here we got Natural Balance wet cat food. It looks like it's a redeemable at Petco, which I do not have in my area. The water is back. I think that went away and came back for the pure water. If you guys want to get some eye stuff, they do have the Blink deals at Walgreens right now, but there's that $3 off coupon if you guys did not get those inserts. I just saw Neutrogena, but it's because I was looking on the coupons.com app itself. Here's another Crunchmaster coupon for $1, so be prepared. It might be showing up on Walmart, and once I find out it is, I'm going to print those coupons. So, I swear I saw the Neutrogena. I'm losing my mind. These are just more coupons. L'Oreal. Not much else, but I know it's not much coupons, but I just wanted to share with you guys coupons to print because sometimes this stuff's only good for like a day and then they disappear. Like listening to the toys in the background. Yeah, I go through this every day. Every day. We're almost done, you guys. Let's see what else there is. God, it takes forever just to scroll down to the bottom. Okay, my OxyClean did not reset, but I swear I thought I saw a Neutrogena. Okay, it's still up there. Let's just go to... We're gonna go to... Now, if you guys didn't know, they have categories on personal care. You guys can go to certain coupons. And I did see Neutrogena. Where did I see it? Maybe I'm losing my mind. 50 cents. Whatever. I don't care. But I just wanted to show you guys coupons to print. And make sure you guys get those. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.